How do I make my Messenger messages unavailable?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common question. How do I make my Messenger messages unavailable? By the end of this video, you'll be able to manage your message visibility and make your messages unavailable when you need to.
What does unavailable mean?
Before we jump into the steps, let's clarify what unavailable means. In the context of Facebook Messenger, making your messages unavailable essentially means preventing certain people from seeing that you're active or reaching out to you. You may want to do this for various reasons, such as maintaining privacy or reducing distractions.
How to appear offline on Messenger?
First step, open the Messenger app. On your smartphone, find the Messenger app and tap on it to open. Remember, this tutorial applies to the mobile version of Messenger. Next step, access your profile. In the top left corner of the main screen, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it to open your profile settings. Third step, turn off active status. Scroll down until you find the Active Status option. Tap on it, then toggle off the switch next to Show when you're active. This will make you appear offline to your contacts, hence your messages will be unavailable to them.
How to ignore messages on Messenger?
Another way to make your messages unavailable is to ignore specific conversations. Here's how you do it. First step, open the conversation. Find the conversation you want to ignore and tap on it to open. Second step, access the chat settings. Tap on the contact's name at the top to open the chat settings. Final step, ignore the conversation. Scroll down until you see the Ignore Messages option. Tap on it, then confirm your choice. This will move the conversation to your message requests, so you won't receive notifications for it, and the sender won't know if you've read their messages. And that's it. You now know how to make your Messenger messages unavailable by appearing offline or ignoring specific conversations. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, managing your online presence and who can reach you is key to maintaining your digital privacy and well-being. Stay safe online.